this was quite an interesting project for me because this was a continuation of the branding project I did. Before introducing the brand, I need to get to the branding project as well. So for the branding project, we were given this tagline: "Speak, pop, and don't stop." So that's how I made this brand, Young. So it's a footwear hypothetical brand. It is focused for the a target group of 20 to 35, belonging to the middle and upper middle class family. So the main values of this brand is fun, energy, continuity, or youthfulness and all. My mentor asked me to present the main USPs of the product or the brand so that the user should be encouraged or should be motivated to check out this brand or check out this website and all. The USPs of this product is soft, comfortable, and fashionable shoes for all occasions. So this was how the design process went for me. We usually started with the research phase. I've done the competitive analysis of how the existing or similar brands or similar products have their website or how communicate with their audience and all.
The competitors my use was mainly the top brands like Adidas, Nike, or something. Crocs has something similar approach towards the target audience and all. So I researched about their websites and how they know what all are their process, how the UI is made, how the UX is there, and what all are the customers looking for in their website, or what is something different that this brand has than other brands also. How is Adidas different from Nike? How can I make Young different from this both? So that's how the competitor analysis went for me.
And then made the feature functionality list. What all the other specific features that I can bring to this website. And that's when I made this complete design inception sheet. So that's one of the new thing I learned from And Academy. I came to know how where we can place the brand, how this what's the personality can be, what are the specific audience have, what all the mood of tones or the personality can be and all. And then I made the UI kit. After that, went to the UI design where I explored several wireframes and after finalizing one, made a prototype and then gave to the testing part. So I made two personas, how one who prefers offline shopping and one who prefers online shopping. My main focus was to get the offline shoppers to explore this website. So I interviewed few of them. I understood what all are the goals or needs, what motivates them to use offline mode, and what are the fears or pain points while using the online mode and all. And similarly, I interviewed the online shoppers why they prefer online mode than offline shoppers and all. Based on those details and interviews, I came up this user needs. The offline shopper, someone who prefers offline shopping, they look for trust or smoother returns and all personalization. They can actually see the product. Similarly, how the online experience they don't have this human contact or something like they can look for some multiple opportunities or multiple options and also that's how I made this and then went for the feature functionality list. This can be some of the features, something that can make this website stand out. Then I went with the sitemap. Someone for using this new platform or some user who is using this new brand or this website, it shouldn't feel like they entered into something completely different world. It should feel like a similar, simple e-commerce platform. So it's easy for them to navigate also, and they can understand they can find this option here and this here. So I went with a minimal approach and simple sitemap approach and then I went with the wireframes. Then the visual design. The visual design is something I pick up the main branding only, so the main brand colors. So I want since the brand has the personality of youthfulness, continuity, or full of youthful energy and all. I went up with this color palette which shows youthfulness, the energy as well as the compoundness and all. Then the typography. While interacting, while someone, for example, if someone is ordering from Adidas or Nike, why do they prefer this guest checkout? I asked them, do you like this option? So that's when I got to know for the first time user that they will be hesitant to buy entering all their personal details like address and all. So I'm making an account and also that was the thought behind me. Give this guest checkout option. So they just have to enter their a few details and all. This can be cash on delivery options and also.
If you see the main logo, it has something like display font, but I can't use that display font for every time because it's hard for users to read and all. But I want something like a minimal simple font which can show which can be easy for the user to read and all. So that's when I use the space grotesque font, the main font, and just use a simple minimal for the body text. So that's my thought process behind using the typography.
This is the product card option where the user can hover effect and a simple hover effect. And this is the final design. This is the home page. Then I categorize them along with shop view and all. And then a few testimonials along with social media. These are the other pages along the product list page as well as the product display page and all. And the final shopping cart. So that's my custom project.